of dot product of two vectors. See, I have told you that if there are two vectors, vector A and vector B, make an angle theta, then vector A dot vector B is magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos theta, which is going to be a scalar number, which is simply a number. Now let's understand what is the meaning of this. See, let's take vector A as A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, and vector B as vector B equals B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. So let me write once again. Let vector A equals A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, and vector B equals B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. Then vector A dot vector B is A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap dot B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. Now, in order to simplify this, we should be knowing that the dot product of two similar vectors is 1, and dot product of two dissimilar vectors, let's take vector I and vector j, is magnitude of vector I into magnitude of vector j into cos 90, because I is perpendicular to j. The angle between I and j is 90 degree. Similarly, j and k, angle between j and k is 90, and k and I is also 90 degree. So what will happen to the dot product of two dissimilar vectors? Cos 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, 1 into 1 into 0 becomes 0. So two important points we have to remember here. Dot product of two similar vectors is 1, two dissimilar vectors is 0. Now I will multiply this. This is A1I into B1, A1 I cap into B1 I cap. So A1 B1 I cap. When I go for this, for the second term multiplication, A1 I cap into B2 j cap, A1 B2 I dot j cap, and I dot j is 0. So leave that term. Now first term A1 I cap, B3 k cap, I dot k, it is 0 again. Now from the second term, j dot I is 0 plus, now whatever the term that remains is A2 B2 into j dot, that remains because it is 1, similar vectors is 1. Then this is 0, A2 j cap into B3 k cap, j dot k cap is 0, k dot I cap is 0, k dot j cap is 0, k dot k is 1. So write that term, A3 B3 k dot k cap. So finally, what we get, vector A dot B is equal to A1 B1, because I dot I is 1, plus A2 B2, because j dot j is 1, plus A3 B3, because k dot k is 1. So this is going to be a real number, which is sigma A1 B1. So the algebraic meaning of dot product is that whenever you multiply two vectors using dot product notation, you are getting sigma A1 B1, where A1, A2, A3 are the vector triads of vector A, B1, B2, B3 are the vector triads of vector B. Now how to find the dot product of two vectors? Let me illustrate that by doing some problems.